pretty good at that.
AJ hits it into left field. Deep to left field. It's gone. Martinez stayed in one pitch too long. AJ Ellis makes him pay. A 3-run homer into the Dodger bullpen.
That's a huge hit for AJ Ellis, considering how he's been on this road trip. As you mentioned, 2 for 17. Make it 3 for 18 with a 3-run jack right there. This ball right down the middle, and AJ's all over it. Got a good short swing. Woo. Linea.
You just saw it coming.
Yeah, I mean, everybody in the house knew that Martinez was pretty much at the end of his rope, and he got in a 3-1 count. He only has 2 pitches. He's pretty much going to challenge you with the fastball, so AJ's sitting all over it. Now here's what I can't quite believe.